What's the meaning of Allah? Allah. 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 Allah.
Allah is the Arabic word for God, used by Muslims and Arab Christians. It is considered to be the supreme and only deity in Islam, and Muslims believe that Allah is the one true God who created the world and everything in it. The word Allah is often used in the Islamic phrase, Allahu Akbar, meaning, God is great. Muslims believe that Allah is merciful, compassionate, and just, and worship Him through prayer, fasting, and other religious practices. The name Allah has a long history and unique significance in Islamic theology, literature, and culture.